Hello friends! From Kyoto Central, you can take bus or subway and alight at Kiyomizu-Michi bus stop. To reach temple, need to walk uphill for 10-15 minutes. You will enjoy this street walk as it's filled with souvenirs shop and local Japanese traditional street food and drinks. We visited in summer, so it's sweaty. Kiyomizudera, one of Kyoto's most celebrated temples, known for its stunning architecture and breathtaking views. Nestled in the hills of eastern Kyoto, this UNESCO World Heritage Site attracts visitors from all over the world. Kiyomizudera, also known as Pure Water Temple, named after the Otowa Waterfall that runs beneath its main hall. The temple is renowned for its wooden stage, which juts out over the hillside, providing breathtaking views, especially during cherry blossom season and fall. We need to buy tickets to enter the temple. The temple is open from 6 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. in summer. Now we are walking to iconic main hall and stage. You can try testing your strength by lifting the samurai's weapons showcased at lobby. We are heading towards main shrine to offer prayers. The most remarkable feature is that the entire structure, including its massive overhanging stage, was built without using a single nail. The hall enshrines the 11-headed, 1,000-armed Kannon Bodhisattva, the goddess of mercy. Now, let's make our way to the Otowa Waterfall, located beneath the main hall to purify our souls. This is the main shrine offering prayers. Also, we can make a wish and write it on the bamboo postcards here. This is the most scenic and photogenic spot. Visit the temple in morning to take memorable photos without long queues. Otowa Waterfall, the sacred spring water. The spring water at Kiyomizudera comes from the Otowa Waterfall, which is divided into 3 streams. Each stream has its own significance, and is believed to confer different blessings, health, longevity, and love. Many visitors come here not just for the stunning visuals, but also for the opportunity to drink from its pure spring water. The water from the Otowa Waterfall is said to have healing properties. Drinking from the streams, visitors to Kiyomizudera often partake in the practice of drinking from one of the streams. It is considered both a spiritual act and a way to seek personal blessings in life. However, it is customary to drink from only one stream to avoid being greedy, which is believed to lead to negative consequences. Drinking from each stream is a practice steeped in tradition. However, it's recommended to drink from only one stream. Choosing which stream to drink from can reflect your personal desires, whether it's seeking love, good health, or longevity. Kiyomizu-dera Temple stands as a symbol of Kyoto's spiritual heritage, blending history, myth, and natural beauty. Its sacred spring water not only attracts those seeking physical blessings, but also embodies the connection between nature and spirituality that is central to Japanese culture. The stories and legends surrounding Kiyomizudera enhance its allure as a destination for both tourists and spiritual seekers alike. Hope you enjoyed this virtual tour. Thank you for watching.